Here's the truth no one tells you about construction management apps. A lot of them look amazing in demos. But once you're standing on a real job site with weak signal, multiple crews, and constant changes, the mobile app suddenly becomes the biggest problem. And that's exactly why so many contractors ask the same question in 2026. Does Contractor Foreman actually have a mobile app that works? In this video we're going to answer that directly. You'll see what the Contractor Foreman mobile app can actually do, where it works well, where it struggles, and whether it's good enough for real construction crews in the field. Let's get straight to the answer. Yes, Contractor Foreman does have a mobile app. It works on both iPhone and Android devices. And for many small to mid-size contractors, it covers the core features they need on site. But here's the important part. Working and working smoothly are not always the same thing. And that's where the real discussion starts. First, let's talk about what the app actually does. The Contractor Foreman app is designed to let field crews and managers handle job site tasks without needing a laptop. That includes time tracking, daily logs, photos, punch lists, schedules, tasks, inspections, and communication updates. For example, imagine Jake runs a remodeling company with 4 crews across different job sites. Instead of calling the office every hour, his foreman can update progress directly inside the app. That saves time immediately. Photos can be uploaded from the field. Daily reports can be submitted on site. Employees can clock in and out. And project managers can track progress without chasing paperwork. For many contractors, that alone is a massive upgrade from spreadsheets and text messages. Now here's where it gets interesting. The AP's biggest strength is not flashy design. It's feature depth. Contractor Foreman packs a huge number of tools into its platform, especially considering its price compared to bigger competitors like Procore. That's why smaller contractors often look at it seriously. But here's the problem. When software tries to include everything, the mobile experience can sometimes feel crowded. This is where most people get frustrated. The app is functional, but it may not feel as polished as some premium competitors. For example, apps like Buildertrend or Procore often feel smoother visually. Navigation can feel more modern. Menus may be easier for first-time users. Contractor Foreman focuses more heavily on functionality than appearance. That's not necessarily bad, but it matters if your team struggles with technology. Now let's talk about performance because this is what people actually care about on a job site. In general, the app handles basic tasks reliably. Time tracking, photo uploads, task updates, and logs work well for most users. But performance can depend heavily on internet connection and device quality. This is important because construction sites are rarely perfect environments. Weak signal, dust, older phones, multiple users, constant updates. That's real-world construction. And this is where software gets tested. Many contractors report that Contractor Foreman performs best when teams keep workflows simple and organized. But once projects become extremely large or overloaded with data, some users notice slower performance or extra clicks. In a minute, I'll explain which type of contractor benefits most from this app because honestly, is not ideal for everyone. But first, let's talk about usability for crews. This is one of the biggest deciding factors. If your field team refuses to use the app, the software fails immediately. Now here's the good news. Contractor Foreman's app is easier to use than many older construction platforms. Employees can usually learn the basics fairly quickly. Clocking in is straightforward. Uploading photos is simple. Daily logs are manageable. But here's the catch. Project managers and admins face a steeper learning curve because there are so many available features. This is where most people fail. They activate every tool at once. Then crews get overwhelmed with forms, tasks, and notifications. The smartest approach is starting small. Use scheduling first, then time tracking, then reports, then inspections. That gradual rollout usually works much better. Now let's discuss one feature contractors constantly ask about: offline functionality. Construction sites often have terrible internet. So can the app still work? The answer is partially. Some information can still be accessed or updated offline depending on the task, but full offline capability is not the platform's strongest area compared to some enterprise-level construction tools. That means teams working in remote areas may occasionally hit limitations. For example, Alex manages projects in rural locations where signal drops constantly. If crews rely heavily on live sensing, delays can happen. For urban contractors with stable mobile coverage, this is less of a concern. But rural job sites should absolutely test the app carefully before committing. Now here is where it gets really important. Let's talk about pricing versus mobile functionality. One reason Contractor Foreman gets attention is value. Compared to high-end platforms costing hundreds or thousands per month, Contractor Foreman is significantly cheaper. And despite the lower price, the app still includes many serious project management features. That creates a trade-off. You may sacrifice some polish compared to premium competitors, but you gain access to a large toolkit at a lower cost. For many small builders, that trade-off makes perfect sense, especially if they've outgrown spreadsheets but cannot justify enterprise software pricing. Now let's compare Contractor Foreman's mobile app to competitors briefly. Compared to Procore, Contractor Foreman is cheaper but less refined. Compared to Buildertrend, Contractor Foreman often includes more tools for the price, but feels less polished visually. Compared to JobTrade, Contractor Foreman may offer deeper functionality, while JobTrade can feel simpler and cleaner. So the right choice depends heavily on your business size and workflow complexity. Now here's the big question. Who should actually use Contractor Foreman's mobile app? It works best for small to mid-sized contractors who want lots of features without enterprise pricing. That includes remodelers, general contractors, specialty trades, and growing construction companies. Especially companies trying to centralize communication and paperwork. But here's who may struggle. Teams wanting ultra-simple design. Companies with extremely low-tech crews. Or enterprise-level contractors needing highly polished workflows and advanced offline support. This is where expectations matter. If you expect a luxury-level app experience like consumer social media apps, you may notice rough edges. If you expect affordable construction management functionality that improves organization, the app performs much better relative to its cost. Now let's talk setup because this part matters more than people realize. Construction software rarely fails because of missing features. It fails because teams never fully adopt it. And adoption depends on setup. For example, John owns a roofing company. He uploads hundreds of custom forms immediately and forces every crew member to use every feature on day one. Chaos follows. Another contractor starts with scheduling and time tracking only. Crews adapt slowly. Then more features get added over time. That company usually succeeds. Software implementation matters just as much as software quality. Now let's wrap this up clearly. Does Contractor Foreman have a mobile app that works? Yes. Absolutely. It handles core construction workflows effectively for many contractors in 2026. It offers strong value for the price. It supports field updates, time tracking, photos, logs, and communication. But it is not the most polished app on the market. And companies expecting ultra-premium smoothness may notice limitations. Still, for the price category, the functionality is impressive, especially for contractors trying to move beyond spreadsheets and disconnected systems. The smartest move is testing the app with your actual field workflow before fully committing. Because construction software only matters if your crews actually use it consistently. If this video helped you understand Contractor Foreman better, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest construction software reviews, and comment below with the platform your company currently uses.